is March 14th in our devotional. Today it says criticism and your emotions. Proverbs chapter 15 verse 31. If you listen to constructive criticism, you will be at home among the wise. Proverbs chapter 25 verse 12. To one who listens, valid criticism is like a gold earring or other gold jewelry. Excuse me. Proverbs chapter 28 verse 23. In the end, people appreciate honest criticism far more than flattery. Proverbs 29:1. Whoever stubbornly refuses to accept criticism will suddenly be destroyed beyond recovery. Ecclesiastes chapter 7 verse 5. Better to be criticized by a wise person than to be praised by a fool. James chapter 4 verse 11. Don't speak evil against each other, dear brothers and sisters. If you criticize and judge each other, then you are criticizing and judging God's law. But your job is to obey the law. Do not judge whether it applies to you. Matthew chapter 18 verse 15. If your brother sins against you, go and tell him his fault, between you and him alone. If he listens to you, you have gained your brother. And at the bottom it says, criticism often generates emotions of rejection and failure when it is not always the intention. Determine whether the criticism you receive is valid, and if so, be open to self-improvement. All of us have weaknesses, and criticism often shows your weaknesses. Choose to give positive criticism that will help people to improve rather than destructive criticism that could hurt people. People will forget what you've said or did, but they won't forget how you made them feel. Criticism and your emotions. But that's our devotional for today, this morning, March 14th. As always, give me a thumbs up or thumbs down. Like, share, and subscribe. Join me on the Disciple server. Link is in the description. And if I don't see you in the next video, I hope to see you in heaven. Bye, guys.